let's deactivate your Messenger account. Before you start, I highly recommend you to up-to-date this application. After updating, open your Messenger application. Then you tap the hamburger menu in the top left corner. Now you tap the little setting icon next to your name. After that, you will get this setting window. Here you have to scroll all the way to the bottom until you find account setup feature. Like I said earlier, if this option is not available for you, you have to up-to-date this application. Then this option will be here. After that, just tap See More in Account Center. In this pop-up window, just tap Personal Details under Account Settings. Then see the last option, Account Ownership and Control. Here see the second option, Deactivation and Deletion. If you are connected to your Instagram and Facebook into Meta Account Center, all accounts will be listed here like this. So since you are going to deactivate our Messenger account, you have to select the first one, Facebook. Then you can see deactivate account is selected by default. So you don't have to select. To go forward, you can tap the continue button. Then they ask you to re-enter your password to verify yourself. After entering, tap the continue button. Then they ask you to provide a reason. Here, keep in mind, according to your selection, the next window will be optimized. So if you want to get the same window like me, select the My Reason too. Here, I will select this one. I have another Facebook account. Then scroll down and just tap the continue button at the bottom. Here, if you want to deactivate Messenger and Facebook and both accounts, you have to leave this section alone. If you check this one, even if you deactivate your Facebook account, your Messenger account will be activated. So if you got this kind of section, you have to leave it alone. Then scroll all the way to the bottom. Then you can tap deactivate my account like this. Just tap deactivate my account. Now you can see your Facebook and Messenger account has been deactivated. Then you will get this session expired message. If you want to confirm this one, you can check whether it works or not using another Meta application. If you have Instagram application, you can go to Account Center. You can see now it has only your Instagram account. It doesn't have your Messenger and Facebook account. Then they will provide another section for reactivation. You can see your Facebook and Messenger account has been deactivated. That's how to completely deactivate your Messenger account. That's it for today's tutorial. See you in the next one.